The horror film Exhuma has become popular in Asia. It explores the unique topic of exhumation and includes Easter eggs related to Korean history. So today, I will uncover these Easter eggs. In the final segment, I will also introduce some related Korean words. The first Easter egg lies in the names of the protagonists. The names of the four main characters are inspired by famous Korean independence activists from the late Joseon dynasty. Kim Sang-deok, Lee Hwa-rim, Yoon Bong-gil, and Go Young-geun. The second Easter egg is the numbers on a car license plates. Pay close attention to these numbers while watching the movie, which represent the March 1st Independence Movement Day and National Liberation Day. The last Easter egg is a 101 coin thrown on a grave by a Pungsu expert, Sang-deok. The coin features the face of Admiral Lee Sun-shin, the most respected figure in South Korea, who fought against Japanese invasions. Actor Choi Min-sik, who portrayed the Pungsu expert, also played Admiral Lee Sun-shin in his previous movie Myeongyang, adding more excitement. Now let's learn 4 Korean words related to these Easter eggs, along with some examples. 독립운동가. 파묘 주인공들의 이름은 독립운동가분들의 이름에서 따왔어. 차량 번호판. 영화 파묘에 나오는 번호판에는 광복절 날짜가 들어있어. 동전. 100원짜리 동전에는 이순신 장군의 얼굴이 새겨져 있어. 떡밥. 영화 파묘에는 여러 가지 떡밥들이 숨겨져 있어. Congratulations, you have learned all the Easter eggs and related Korean words. If you enjoyed this video, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. 안녕.